Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you already subscribe, and if you're new to my channel, please go and click the subscribe button down below, as it helps me out so much, and I'm so close to 500 subscribers and I can't thank you all enough. But yeah, please subscribe, like down below, comment, and let me know guys what you guys want to see. Today I've got a very vibrant colour on. I've got blue eyeshadow, this blue jumper. I'm literally obsessed with it. It's from Jaded London and it's a Not Your Angel jumper. I will link it down below in case any of you want to purchase it. I found Jaded London off Grace Shadorak from Grace and Grace, and I literally love her outfits. I love both Grace and Grace's outfits, but Grace Shadorak's, I think that's how you pronounce it, is my favourite. It's very much my style. And she done a doll skill haul not too long ago, and Jaded London was featured, and I literally love their clothing. But yeah, I just think it's so pretty and I love it. But I'm just gonna get straight into the video. So today I've ordered from Harrods. I've ordered a new off-white bag. It was on sale. I think it was 170 to 152, but I think it's so good for Harrods. And yeah, I literally love off-white so much. I have the black belt, industrial belt, and I have a really tiny off-white bag I got for Christmas, but they're my favourite brand. So when I seen this was on sale, I was like, yeah, I've got to get it. It's a tote bag, but I'm just going to do the designer bag unboxing, I suppose. But I'm literally so excited to see it. It got delivered yesterday and I cannot wait to see the bag. So I'm just going to get straight into it. Let's hope I don't want to send this back. So apparently on the website when I ordered this, it was the last one, but I will link, well, it was the last one from Harrods, but I will try and link it down below. Cool, this is boxed up. You can tell it's from Harrods. So, this is what's inside the box. As you can see, it comes with bubble wrapping, which I literally love bubble wrapping. It's my favourite thing. Oh my god, you can't pop it. Oh my god, it's not bubble wrapping. I don't know what that is, but you cannot pop it. And some more fake bubble wrapping. I'm so sorry for that noise because it probably feels hideous. And here it is. Oh my god. I am literally in love with this bag. Here is the bag. I literally love it so much. I think it's so pretty. I think it is so good for like £157 to 180. Considering like my tiny off-white bag was way more, and it is literally about that big, if that. I literally love it. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. It is so pretty. It doesn't come with a dust bag or anything, which is actually quite sad, but I think it's so pretty. It's got like the little main label bit here in the bag, and I literally love it. And then you just got the white, like the industrial, it looks like the industrial belt, but like the off-white like tassel, or what do you call it, handle. I'm trying so hard on it to get makeup on it because that is literally me. But I love this so much. I love the off-white tags. I just think Off-White is such a sick brand. But I just wanted to show you this bag because it shows a little bit more about my style personally. And I think it's so nice. And I'm hoping to use this like perhaps for uni next year or something. What I know is a bit ridiculous considering it's kind of expensive. But it is big, so it would fit like my iPad, my MacBook in it. What I'd need, books and everything. And also, if I don't give a reason to use it, I will never use this. Like, I literally never use any of my designer bags because I'm so scared to ruin them. But I love this bag so much. I will link it down below. And yeah, I'm sorry this video is actually going to be a really short, but I hope you like my new bag. I love the X detailing on it. I just think it's so pretty. I love the red on it, and it's so big. Like, it's literally perfect size. I've got a tiny compartment, and then I've got two tiny compartments, one with a zip, and it's just beautiful. So as the video was quite short, I thought I would just show you my other two designer bags, what I'm literally in love with. So first of all, I've got this off-white one that comes in a dust bag. What I thought this one would have came with, but looking at it, it's a bit big to have dust bag, but I'm still in love with it. This one here, it comes in a little dust bag and it's literally the tiniest bag in the world, but I am in love with it. It's got the same straps as that one, it's just tiny and I just love it. It's just got the little off-white there and then it clips open and it's so small, but it's got two card holders, so I love using this like when I go out, so obviously I can put my driving license in there, my bank card and just some little bits and bobs, because I don't really take much out when I go out, but I just think it's beautiful. Like, I think it's so pretty. I love this detailing, which is why I love that one, and I just love it so much. And it's got the classic black and white off-white here, and I'm just a massive off-white fan. And then I've got my baby. I got this for my 18th birthday and I literally love this bag so much. I'm sure you will have all seen it before. It's just the standard black Marc Jacobs bag. I love the detailing. As you can see, I love like straps like this with the designer brand name down it. But I just think this is beautiful. It is such good quality. I will link all these bags down below. But it's just got the two compartments. It's a very small again, but as I said, I don't take much out. It's got a tiny compartment here and it's got these two compartments. And it's got places for your card holders as well. And I love this bag. And then for my 18th birthday, along with the bag, I also got the matching purse. Well, it doesn't fit in the bag, weirdly enough, but I love this purse as well. If I just need to take my purse, this is the purse I'll take out. And if I'm using a different purse, I'll just use a little card holder I have. But I love this as well. I think it's so pretty. And I just love black because it goes with everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. It is more a niche target audience, but I love designer bags. It's very me. So I just wanted to show you the new bag I bought, and then I thought, because the video would be quite short, I'd show you the other two designer bags I own. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd really love to know what content you want to see from me, and if you could comment down below what you want to see. If you'd like me to do this makeup look as a tutorial, I'd love to know. But subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.